I'm extremely sorry, guys. Something went wrong, and the live stream was ended automatically. So I strongly apologize for that. The live stream has started again. Yes, so continuing back to the the question that was asked, that is how I draw the support and resistance. So I shown you, I just go to higher time frame and I draw this zones on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. I just look at the base and accordingly I draw the support and resistance. So now we'll be waiting for the gold to come into this zone, and let's see how it reacts to this zone. Let's go to GU and GJ. Yes, duality. Actually, I don't know what happened, but something went wrong, and all of a sudden this live stream was ended. So that's why we faced this issue, and I'm really sorry for that. And duality, from your as we talked in the today's live stream, that as you mentioned that you had loss on gold, that was 600 pound. I just want you to just go to the chart, okay? Just understand that what went wrong, where you had bought the gold, and what actually happened, okay? Just go to it and just look at it, just try to understand what did you do wrong, okay? So it will help you a lot, because the losses are lessons, they are not losses. If you don't learn from that losses, then it's a loss. But if you learn what happened and why the loss happened, then it's a lesson. And it's a really, the most of the traders, they don't analyze their losses. They don't try to understand that what I did wrong. They just take the trade, they lose, and then again enter the market. They just don't understand that. They don't even try to figure it out, that why I had this loss and why the market went against me. And actually the market didn't went against you went against the market, and that's why you lose, that's why you lost. That every traders should understand. Back in the days when I had started the trading, it's just an experience that whenever I started trading, I had a really nice win. I had doubled the account, and after doubling the account, I had that confidence that I'm going to make money every single time I trade. And that's when I started to lose. And after losing a lot, I started to learning again. I invested a lot of time in learning, and you won't believe I had stopped trading for almost more than 1 year. I didn't trade for almost 1 year. I just kept learning. So that's how I dedicated that much. That's how I was so dedicated to learn. Yes, it's expense. Yes, correct. And I think because the people move the money to crypto now, they moving from crypto to USD. Look like, yeah, that can be that can be possible. I'm not that into crypto. I don't have any plans to get into the crypto because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whichever market you trade. Only thing matters is you make money. Yes, yes, that is the absolutely right, buddy. That is absolutely right. Everybody learns. Everybody, till the end of their life, everybody should keep learning. Once they stop learning, they stopped growing. If you want to grow, then you should, you should be learnable. You should be coachable. You should look at the learnings. Yes, it's a bubble. Seriously. There was a time, not there was a time actually. I'm talking about recent scenarios. I mean to say from 1 or 2 years. I've been on the social media, and I've been following a lot of people, okay, who are sharing the trading codes, trading memes and everything. So in that, people say that they should wait. Trading is a 80% wait and 20% execution. But most of the people don't know when to wait and when to trade. And if you know when to wait and when to trade, nobody can stop you. Because trading is the business where everything is you're under control. You control yourself, you control your money, you control everything. There is no boss, or there is no a single person who is going to push you and who's going to say you buy right now or you sell right now. Nobody is going to tell you that. Nobody is ever going to tell you. Everything is under your control, and you control everything. If you can't control your actions, then you can't control your money as well. Three days and Bitcoin down from 40 to now 35. Okay, can you imagine if somebody bought Bitcoin? Yes, that's the point, buddy. The people, the people who had bought the Bitcoin at 42, you can imagine how much in big loss they will be. So speaking of Bitcoin, let's just go to Bitcoin chart and let me just share some my point of view with you. BTC USD. Let's go to Oanda. Okay. So this is clearly the thing that needs to understand. As you can see on the daily time frame, the BTC was going up. Okay, and if you go to the 4-hour time frame, it was trending up. Okay, and whenever the price has went very high, you should never buy. you should you should just wait for the price to retrace. You know, you should wait for the price to just retrace, and after that you should buy. You know, let's look at this. Let's just understand. You see, whenever the highs and lows are broken, the price again comes back to that level. As you can see right here, the price was here, okay, it had given this strong impulse move, okay, and it had created the smaller resistance, then it came down and it broke that resistance. It went again up, and there is a 100% possibility and 100%, you know, surety that the price is definitely going to come into this area to retest this zone. If you really want to buy, you should buy at this level, not here, because the price has already created a high, and once the price has created the high, it is definitely going to go down, okay. It is going to create a low, and then if it has to go up, then from after creating the low, it will go up, okay. It will create another high. Yes, everybody feels sorry for them, but you know, they should, if anybody he or she wants to invest money in crypto or in stocks or commodities or in the currency, they should analyze that what is going to happen and what exactly has happened. You know, if they don't study, if they don't understand that when they should enter the market, when they should sell, when they should buy, then every day we have to feel sorry for them, because you know they are not understanding that when they have to enter the market. You know, it's a really stupid thing, you know, after just entering the market right here. It's really the most stupidest thing that anybody can do. And in all the financial markets, this happens, you know. Just look at this. This always happens. This is what happens in all the markets, you know. The price doesn't just go like this. The price always, you know, goes in the waves, just like this. So you should always you should wait for the retracement, and then you should enter the market. Again, the price has created high, then let the price come down, let it create a lower low or higher low, and then enter the market. That is the right place, that is the right time to enter the market. Don't just blindly enter the market, you know. That's the suggestion to everybody. First learn and then earn, and understand that where are the possible strong possible buying areas. If I check with the price action strategy, it still will go up, okay. So let's just look at this. Yes, it can go up, okay. I don't say that it won't go up. Definitely it can go up, but I still see there is a time to buy the BTC. Right now, as you can see, the Bitcoin is strongly falling, and as you can see, it has given this strong impulse move to the upside, okay. So we still expect the Bitcoin to give some correction, okay. It will come down into this area, I think, over here, or yeah, these are the two or two zones where price can go up, can go down. It can come into this zone and then it can go up. So this was the strong impulse move, so I do expect some sort of correction. Okay, some sort of correction till this area or till this area, and then we can expect it to go up or just like this. Yes, duality, you're right. It can go till 25 as well, and as I told you, it can go till 23,000 as well. Ever wonder, do you accept trend line as a support resistance? No, I do not accept the trend line as a support and resistance. They are just, you know, a small indication that from this line, this particular line, the price can go down or go up. Okay, but we cannot use it as a support and resistance. We can just consider that line to be act as a support and resistance, but they are not the strong support and resistance. They just give you a little piece of information that this is the place from where the price can show some rejection. Okay, if it's a if the price is falling down, let me give you this example. Let's go to this. Okay, see, as you can see right here, just look at this. First of all, the Bitcoin was trending up. Okay, we created a trend line from this. Okay, then again price went up and it has given small retracement, so we created the first, we considered this as the first point. Okay, and this as a second. Okay, so as you can see, the price just invaded this trend line. Okay, again it came back into this area. So this is not the strong buying point. Okay, this is not the strong support. Okay, you can just consider that the price will face some difficulty breaking this level. Okay, it will take some sort of support and resistance of this trend line. Okay, in this scenario, this is the price will take the support. Okay, so again, as you can see, you can just use this trend line as a reference. You cannot consider it as a strong support or resistance. I hope I'm making sense to you. Okay, or I'm trying what point I'm trying to make you understand. Again, as you can see, the price went up. Okay, it did not come into this area and it went again up again, and again the price came back. But as you can see, the price has respected this trend line in the previously when the price has reached into this on this trend line. So again it respected this trend line and it went up again the price came back. So you can consider, but we cannot consider it as a strong support. You know that the price is definitely going to respect it, just like this. The way that price has respected this trend line right here, it doesn't mean that it will respect everywhere. You can just use it as a reference to know the trend. That's it. Okay, so we have a new member in the chat, that is Radu Dumitru. It's Radu 11. Okay, I think about gold, I shared the idea about gold initially. Let's go to gold once again. Any which ways we were monitoring it. So yeah, so as you can see right here, the the best buying zone for the gold was this. Okay, this was the area from where the gold had, you know, if you wanted to buy gold, you should have bought the gold from here. Right now, as you can see, the price has rejected this area. As you can see, I always mention this kind of scenario. This is what exactly has happened. Price went up, break, retest, and went up. Right now, as you can see, the price, okay, it has given the impulse move. Okay, now the price is consolidating. Okay, it has given the small correction. Okay, and right here, as you can see, this little base, this little noise, okay, where the price had created the base, so we can expect some sort of resistance in this area. The price will come into this zone, okay, and it will act as a resistance from where the price can face some difficulties to go up. So we can expect the price to fall from this area, I think. I'm not 100% sure. Also, there is a probability that price can go up and then it can continue into this zone. Okay, so there are two possible scenarios, that price can go over here and it can fall down again in this area. So these are the two scenarios. I hope this answer your questions, that what I'm looking at gold, what I'm expecting on the gold. And let me know if you have any questions, Radu. You're most welcome, buddy. You're most welcome. And if you really liked this live stream, so make sure you share it with your friends and your trade buddy. It might be helpful for them and for you as well. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so let's answer the questions one by one. The duality has asked, I saw on the green pips 97.9 accurate trading system. How can you use that? To be honest with you, I don't use that system. I am just posting the trader zone, you know, my trader zone channel to just cross promotion for the cross promotion. Okay, so I haven't looked at that. I just share my channel. I just share my link into that channel. That's it. And let's go to another question that we have. Radu Dumentru, if we look at the bigger picture as H4 or daily, okay, so let's go to H4. Yes, right now, as you can see, the price has taken the support of this area, and as you can see, the price has given the strong impulse candle to the downside. And as you can see on the M15, we have drawn the minor resistance, and as you can see, this has also rejected this is H4 candle. It has rejected that M15 zone. Okay, so I think there is a probability that price will come into this zone and it can give the sharp move to the downside into this area. It may break this zone right away directly without taking any support, and it can continue into the zone. There is a probability. As you can see, the price went down, and as you can see, this candle how it has respected this zone. Do you see how it has respected this zone? So we can expect the price to go down again after the price has come into this zone. We can expect the price to push to the downside. Okay, and now let's go to, okay, so before continuing that, so Radu, I hope this makes you understand that this it clarifies that what I'm trying to make you understand. We can expect some selling pressure from right here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now let's go to Ever Wonder. Another question, if you don't mind, do you accept Elliott wave? I consider the wave is not suitable on Forex metal. Maybe it suits on stock, but I don't invest on stock. How's your opinion? Yeah, so this is Ever Wonder, you have asked a really good question, and to be honest with you, back in the past when I had started trading, you know, I've been learning patterns, that is those bad pattern, then butterfly pattern, then Elliott waves and Fibonacci's support and resistance and everything. And to be honest, the Elliott waves are really difficult to understand, you know. I don't like to complicate things, you know. It's really complicated when you start learning these patterns and this kind of waves. You will, you know, you will feel a lot of complexity. There will be a time that time you will just say, just leave this thing, you know. I don't want to learn, you know. I don't want to trading. I just want to stop trading. It's that complicated. So I completely left the Elliott wave. Okay, I never used it, and I'm never going to use it anyway. So I don't consider it for any of the trading method, or, you know, whichever market you want to trade. And to be honest with you, I have been you know, testing my this zones strategy. It works really well on any of the markets, you know. As you can see, these zones on this chart, I have drawn these zones on the Apple chart, on the stock of Apple, then Tesla, then even Nasdaq, US 30. It works really well, you know. On US 30 I see it doesn't work that much, but it does work. Yes, it's not like that it doesn't work. It does work, but there is a lot of volatility in the US 30 market. So I see some place where the price breaks, but again it respects that zones. So I strongly believe using these zones, you know. Even back in the days when I used to trade the stocks, and when I just, you know, go back to those old charts, and when I draw these zones, it respects really well. So this is the only thing that I'm going to stick with, that is, this is drawing the zone. Okay, these zones are really strong. If you want to if you are a day trader, if you are a scalper, if you are a swing trader, this works on all the time frames. It really does. And after some time I'm going to release some of the case studies. Okay, I'm going to release some of the case studies on the stocks and the some of the currency pairs. Okay, I have my website under construction. Okay, where I'll be sharing all these studies on the chart, on the stocks and everything. So you guys will get to understand that what I'm talking about, and you will get to learn a lot from that. And you will also get the, you know, that believe, you know, you will also believe that this works really well. And you don't have to complicate things, you know. There is no rocket science in the trading. Okay, it's really simple. It's just that people make it difficult, you know, after by adding the indicators and everything. I have been following these zones from long time, and I feel this is the best strategy that works. You know, the simple thing that about my strategy is that I just draw the zones. Okay, I just draw the zones, and I just look at the chart and I decide that, okay, this is the buying zone, this is the selling zone. Okay, so if the price comes into the selling zone, I just sell it with this selling confirmation. If the price comes to the buying zone, okay, so and if I see a buying confirmation, if I see a bullish confirmation, I just buy. That's it. That's what I look for. Even if you look at this chart, okay, I'm not complicating anything. I'm not buying randomly anywhere. I'm just drawing these zones. I'm waiting for the price to come into that zone. I'm just waiting for the price to retrace, to give some confirmation, bullish or bearish. Okay, and after the confirmation, I just enter the trade. It's that simple. So never complicated any of the things. Never complicate. Just make it simple. And if the things are complicated, then you are not doing it right way. You're most welcome, Radu. Yes, and never complicate anything. Okay, so now again we have a question from Radu Dumentru. That is, what indicators you mostly use as a confirmation entry? So again, I'm telling you, I'm not using any of the indicators. I don't use any indicators. I just use the price. Okay, I just look at the price. I draw the zones. Okay, and this is the most, you know, widely used indicator, you can say. I don't call it indicator, but this is the kind of price action. Okay, this is the zone. Okay, price will break the zone again, it will retest the zone, and it will continue to go up. So right now this is the buying zone. Okay, so we will expect the price to go up. As you can see, the price was coming down. Okay, price broke this zone. Okay, the price broke this zone. Okay, and again, as you can see, this is a strong bullish candle. Price went up. Okay, so this was the fake out where all the retail traders stop loss were taken. Price went up again, then it broke the zone, it went up again. It has to come down to retest. So again, the price came back, it retest into the zone, and the price pushed up. So this is the kind of scenario that I look for always. So, and whenever I want to sell, I will wait for price to come down, I'll wait for price to retest, and I wait for price to come down again. So as you can see right here, the price came down, it created this base, come down again, it went up. As you can see, retest, let me show you, come down, back in the zone, retest, and to the downside. Do you see this? I hope this answer your question. I mean to say, this is what I look for. You know, this is the kind of confirmation that I look for, and I completely trade based on the price action, and I completely trade based on the zones. Okay, so now let's go back to the chat, and we have another guest in the chat, that is M&D really, yes. Hello everybody from Switzerland, I hope you are good. Yes buddy, we all are doing good. I'm doing good, and I hope you are also doing good. And we have another chat member, that is Must Gold FX. Hi buddy. And we have another NA, that is, have you ever used predictum indicator yet? Any review? No, dear, I have not used this indicator. Actually, I never heard of this indicator as well, and I don't use any of the indicators. I just use the price action to trade. I only use price action and this zone, and it does everything really well. Hey Gold FX, how are you doing, buddy? So NA, can you just tell me where did you found this indicator? That is predictum indicator. Is it on a trading view, or is it's there on the web where you found it? Just let me know. I'm not going to use that indicator, but I'm curious to know that what exactly it does. I just wanted to see. Let's go to GU and GJ. Okay, so now as you can see, guys, the GU is falling, and I think GJ and GU are going to fall. Okay, and they are going to continue into this area, and I think it will come into the zone very fast, and from right here we can expect it to go up, because as you can see, the price has taken support of this area a lot of time, and it has given the strong impulse move to the upside. So we can expect the price to come into this area, and we can expect the price to go at least into this zone, at least into this area, and then we can expect it to go up like this again. So let's see. Right now, as you can see, guys, the price is not into our zone, so we will be waiting for the price to come into this zone. And let's see. Again, we have another question from Mr. Must Gold FX. Just monitoring gold at the moment, had it on a sell last week, demo account, some profits, glad I didn't go long. A lot of traders lost big time and are anticipating a rise for gold. Any suggestions for gold price? Okay, let's keep this chart as it is. Let's look at the another gold chart. And okay, so now let's come here and let's see. Let's go to daily first. Okay, so right here, as you can see, this is the buying zone. The price has given this strong move to the upside. As you can see, again price came back. It gave the fake out and again it went up. It took the support of this zone, again it went up. Now again the price has come back into this zone. Okay, so the price can retest in this zone. As you can see, it has taken the support of this zone. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have another buying area. Do you see? Right here, the price came back, again went up. And this is the strong buying zone. This is the strong buying area. So we can expect the price to go up. Let's go to weekly. Okay, here is another interesting thing. Do you see this is strong impulse? This is a strong impulse move. This is the correction. Do you see? This is the correction. I'm not drawing any pattern, that is flag pattern, wedges or something, anything like that. I'm just following the simple thing, that is impulse correction. So now we can expect the price to go up. This and again let me remind you, let me tell you, this is on the weekly time frame. Okay, as you can see, this was a strong up move, this was the consolidation. So impulse correction, impulse, this is the kind of scenario that we can expect. So I think there is a probability that it can go till at least 2000 area, or it can continue to 2400. Let's draw this box right here. Let me take this box right here. Okay, so yes, we can also expect the gold to go till 2200. We can expect, because and the reason why I'm saying 2200, because I have just taken the, I just consider this range. Okay, I just draw the zone, this rectangle, based on this price movement. Okay, and I'm considering from right here till here. So we can expect the 2200 level, I think, if this is correction and if it has to go up. So definitely I think the 2200 area is the possible point where the price can go. I hope this makes some sense to you guys, and if it doesn't make sense, then I also hope that you get to learn something from this, that how I look at the chart and what I expect and what can be the possible scenario. And for right now, as you can see, it is still taking the resistance. Okay, still it is in the resistance area. Okay guys, so it is still taking the resistance, and It's still in the resistance, so I believe that it will face some difficulties to go up. I think the price should continue into this area, I think, or if it has to go up, then it will continue again like this. Two possible scenarios. The price is in the selling zone, so we can expect the price to go down, and if it has to go up, this is the kind of scenario that we can expect. Also, there is we have some sort of minor resistance, but I think it might invade this level. Okay, so if it breaks this level on the down, okay, that's really interesting question, buddy. Let's go to weekly once again. If it breaks down to this area, so again we have this support right here, then again we have this support right here, again we have this support right here, and this is on the weekly time frame, buddy. So I think it's gonna take a lot of pressure, okay, and it's gonna take a long time to break this zone. And if this break this area, so there is a probability that price can come into this zone again in the 1600 1700 level. But as you can see, the price has broken this area, and again the price has went up, okay, and it has respected this zone. So I think there is a really less probability that it will break this zone, I think. But who knows, anything can happen. I'm not a god, or I'm not running the market. Anything can happen, so we can just anticipate. And based on the price action, I see the price is taking the support of this area, so we can expect the up move. So this is my point of view, and I answered your question, I think, gold FX, that if this break this area, then there's another zone for gold, that is 1700 to 1600. This is the zone. So at this place, the gold can continue. I hope this answers your questions, and let me know if you have any question, any doubts, or you want to know something, or you have something to tell, or you have something to share with us, so that we also can get to learn something. Okay, so Radu Dumitru is asking, what time frame do you trade mostly? So I use 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. Okay, I just draw the zones on the 1-hour and 4-hour time frame, and I just go to minute 15 candle. Okay, I just go to minute 15 time frame, and I look for entries. As you can see right here, this all zones are drawn on the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, and I am on the minute 15 chart, and I'm just waiting for bullish confirmation or bearish confirmation on minute 15 time frame candle, and based on the evidence, I enter the market. So for today, this was the best entry that we would have taken, but unfortunately at that time I was not trading, so I did not take this entry. But this is my kind of entry, this is my kind of setup that I always look for. And if you go to the previous live stream, I have mentioned this kind of setup every single time I have shown my entry type. This is the kind of scenario that I always look for. And if you go to the previous live stream and if you just watch them, you will get to learn a lot of things. So if you get time, just go to the old live stream, and I have shared a lot of golden nuggets at there. Okay, so we have another question that is, I found that gold price was affected by the Bitcoin highs. Gold depreciated with the rise of investors buying Bitcoin. I didn't know previously that Bitcoin affects gold. What do you think? Okay, so I'm not sure that they both are, who is investing in the Bitcoin or in the gold. Okay, and yeah, the investors are buying and selling the gold and Bitcoin. That thing is for sure, but I'm not sure about that they are correlated. Okay, so gold is correlated. Gold is affected by USD, and Bitcoin is affected by also USD, and so I'm not sure about that, and I don't think the gold and Bitcoin are that much related. I'm not into that much into the fundamentals. Okay, I just really figured it out that if you want to make money, you just have to follow the price action, and you just have to understand when is the right time to buy and when is the right time to sell. Okay, when is the right time to book the profit. So that is what I've learned, and I'm not sure that it affects each other. Okay, so now again we have another question from Radu, that is, what about your Telegram channel? You was giving some signals in the past. Yeah, there was a time that I used to give signals, but I did not find that reliable, and I did not found that valuable, and giving signals is not my kind of thing, because it's not adding any value to the people's that we serve, and now I don't believe in giving signals. And right now, as you can see, there are the people are getting impatient. Okay, and I'm also kind of person that I'm impatient. Okay, I'm aggressive trader. So, and actually my kind of the kind of style that I trade, that is scalping. Okay, I'm not a swing trader. Okay, the strategies that I show right here, that does look like the swing trader, but I just close my entries very fast. I don't keep my trades overnight. So, and now I don't believe in giving signals. I believe in sharing the right education, sharing the right information. And one most important thing that you guys need to understand, that the people who are successful trader, okay, the people who are millionaire or billionaire, XYZ, whatever they are, or whoever they are successful, they don't follow signals. Okay, and neither they give signal. They learn trading, and then they implement, and then they make money. And I also now believe that everybody who want to invest in the financial market, they should learn that how it works. Okay, And let me give you another explanation, another example, that whenever, if you are following the signals from the signal provider, okay, you are just blindly entering the trades. Okay, you don't know based on what confirmation and based on what strategy, based on which information they have provided you the entries. Okay, you really don't know. You are just blindly, just believing them that, okay, this guy has told to buy, let's buy. This guy has told to sell, let's sell. You have no idea that why that person has given the sells or buys. And you know what happens whenever people are providing the signals? They will provide you n number of signals. Okay, they will provide you n number of signals. They will tell you to buy n number of pairs, to they will ask you to buy n number of pairs, sell n number of pairs. And when you have 10, 12, 5, 6, even 3, 4 trades open on your MT4, and you see some of the trades are in the red, some of the traders are in the blue, okay, and you are averaging your pips, okay, somewhere you are losing, somewhere you are making. And when you look at the numbers, you see the reds are increasing, so you close those trades with the loss and you keep open the blue one. Okay, and after some time you see that blue also turned into the red, or they are also getting less. Okay, the profit is decreasing, so you close those trade based out of fear. Okay, so I don't want that people to do. Back in the days when I had started trading, and I used to follow the tips from the tips provider, and believe me, I had, I think, almost 7 to 10 tips provider. Okay, I have been following. I had paid them for the paid signals, and none of them worked. Okay, it was really risky, and every time we entered the trade, I used to pay them between $50 to $150 for the signals, and they were asking me to trade. They were asking those members to take trade on 0.01 lot size. Okay, so what profits you are going to make? Okay, you are paying hundreds and $50 for the signals, and they are asking you to open 0.01 cent, 1 cent trade. So it was not making sense to me. Okay, and then after that I started learning, and after that I realized that if you really want to make money from trading, then you should learn the trading. You really need to understand, you really need to learn, because you cannot just blindly put your money wherever that XYZ person, who you don't even know where that person is, okay, and what he's doing, and you're just blindly following his tips. Okay, and you don't even know that he has taken that tips from somebody else, and he's providing you those tips to enter the market. So it's really it's not that much helpful. And yes, that is not the right way to trade, to be honest. Okay, so any books you recommend? Our vendor has asked. Yeah, so I'm not sure about the books, but you can just go to YouTube. Okay, you can just go to Google, and you can look for price action. Whichever book you will get for price action. You can just read those, and you can just uh, use them as a reference. Okay, it will give you, there are a lot of free contents available on the YouTube as well as Google, so you can refer to them. Okay, and whenever, if you want to learn the trading, okay, make sure you go for price action. Don't follow the indicators, don't look for indicators. That's it. That's the only one best suggestions that I can give you. Don't go for indicators, just search and learn price action. That's it, period. Yes, duality. You said that right. I just read your comment, and that's what I said in what I when I was trying to explain. They will give you n number of trades, and you will keep checking all the charts again and again. You will see the prices falling. You will see the prices going up, blues and reds, and it will eat your soul. It will eat your peace. It will um, it will take away your sleep. You will not sleep with peace. So following the signals is it's not going to make you rich, or it's not going to help you anyway. And one thing that I just want to tell you, if you really want to make money, okay, if you really want to make a lot of money, then you should look for only one chart, okay, and only one setup a day. That's it. If you take one trade a day with the confidence, and you just make 2% or 3% every day consistently by just following one single pair, by end of the month you will be having 40 to 60%. Okay, between 40 to 60% you will have your profits based on your equity. Okay, so in reality, let's face this. Okay, let's just understand this. Why we are trading? We are trading to make money. Okay, we are not trading to trade thousands of pairs. We are trading to make money. So instead of trading 10 pairs, just focus on one chart. Okay, just take one single trade and make money. Just get out, come again once again on tomorrow, again follow the one single chart, what it is doing. Okay, it's buys or sells, whatever it is. Just take one single trade, take 2 to 3% of profit, and just get out. Again, repeat the same thing for next day, and you have to just continue this method for the lifetime, and you will see a consistent gain and consistent results. Because if you focus on one thing for a long time, it becomes a habit. It becomes it just it becomes your character. It just get into your character that this is the way you trade, and that's what you need. You don't need 10 pairs to become successful or to make to become rich. You just need one single pair, one single trade a day, 1 to 2 trades a day, and you're done. That's what you need, and it will give you a lot of clarification. Okay, it will give you a lot of clarity, as well as a lot of it will give you less stress. It will be very stress free. You won't be having any stress to follow tens and thousands of pairs. You just have to follow one single pair You just have to follow the one single chart. That's it, and you are done. And always seek for seek for simplicity. Okay, every time, always just keep the same things simple. Do not complicate anything, and do not look at the things that are complicating your trading. Just seek for simplicity, and that's it. You will have less stress, and that is the reason why we are trading. You want easy money. If you want easy money, so learn things, keep it simple, and just follow the things that you have learned. And that is what we seek. That is what we seek always. And that is the reason why I keep my trading really simple. I just draw these zones. Okay, this is the buying area, this is the selling area. If the price comes here, I'm gonna sell in the selling zones. If the price comes back into the buying zone, if I see a bullish price action, I'm going to buy. That's it. Just keep this thing simple. That's it. Don't complicate. Do not use moving average. Do not use RSI or MACD or anything, any nonsense indicator. Just follow the price action. That's it. Okay, so I missed a lot of comments from duality, because it's not helped the signal provider to reach them go. They not care with you. Yes, they do not care for you. They just they got their money. Okay, they got their money, and now they are just going to send a lot of signals every day in day out. They don't even know that you don't even know that it's their signal, or they are giving all the signals from somebody else. You don't know, so it doesn't help. And yes, and in the long term also, it's not going to help, because if one day, if your tips provider, okay, if there is a possibility that that person gives you the signal, is giving you a quality signal, someday it is not. But let's say, for example, if after some days he stopped giving you signals, something happened, that person stopped giving you signal, then after that, what are you gonna do? You will look for another signal provider, and you don't know that what kind of signal that person will provide, and you will lose or you will make money. You don't know. You're just blindly following the things, and there is also probability that you can make money, you can also lose money, and you have no idea that where exactly you are putting money. But if you learn trading, and if you know that what exactly you are doing, what exactly you are looking for, then you will make money. Then you will understand. So my suggestions for everybody is to learn trading. Okay, learn, and believe me, in the beginning it's going to be a little difficult, because back in the days when I had started learning the price action and everything, the trading, okay, it was difficult for me as well. Okay, and I'm whatever the things that I'm sharing with you guys, I'm speaking from my experience. I know when you follow the indicators, okay, and after that you realize that the indicators are not helping, and then you just switch to the price action or any other strategy that you looking for, things get difficult. I know. When I started learning the price action, even I was feeling like, oh, okay, this is getting a little difficult. I'm not understanding what is happening, and it was difficult for me as well. But believe me, as you go further, slowly, little by little, you will understand, and everything will become easy. Everything will become easier. You just have to follow the path. Okay, so if you want to a kickboxer, okay, you want to be, you want to learn martial art, you do not learn in one single day, okay. In one single day, if you are into the fitness, okay, you want to create a good physique, okay, so you just don't go to gym for one day, you just work hard and in one day you gain that body, okay. You train for a lot of time, okay. The things get difficult, you know, it feels like you cannot go further, but still you push, and then after that you get what you were seeking, okay. So it's gonna take time, it is going to be a little difficult, but it's all worth it. Everything is worth it. And the best thing that you can do in the trading is to learn that how to trade, and if you do it, you will be way more ahead of everybody else. And this is the real thing. If you really want to make money, trade 2 to 3 pairs, okay, just follow them, okay. You will get used to with them, you will get to learn, you will get to understand them very well, and as the time passes, the things will become easier. As soon as the experience comes in, things will get easier for you. Okay, so duality, I'm sorry for answering this question very late, but yeah, let's look at the EuroCAD. Let's just look at the EuroCAD. Okay, so I think when we were in the last live stream and the price was around here, I think that was on 25th. Okay, 24th December. I think on the 24th December we had the last live stream and we had drawn these zones, and the price has taken the support, and again it has taken the resistance in this area, as you can see, guys. Now let's go to current chart, and as you can see right here, this is this resistance, this is the support. So right now, as you can see on the EuroCAD, the price is in between this range, you know, do you see this zone and this another zone? Okay, the price is ranging in this zone. So if the price comes back into this zone, the price can push to the upside, and if again the price comes back into this area, the price can go down. So this is the selling area right here. As you can see, the price has rejected this area. As you can see, the price has taken the support, the price pushed down, and again it came back into the zone, and now it is trying to go up. So this is what I see on the EuroCAD. That's it. This is what I can see on the chart. So let's see. Now this is not the trade zone, okay, this is not the trading zone. The best buying zone is right here, the best selling zone is right here. So wait for confirmation and just enter the trade. That's it from my end on EuroCAD. Let me know if you have any question or if you have any suggestions or anything that Yes, must goal FX. Thank you so much for agreeing on me. and I glad to know that you also have same point of view the way I have. Okay, you're most welcome, Duality. Yes, you should wait for some time and then you should enter. And you know what, right now there is no time to enter the market. Okay, this could be a good entry. Okay, this also could be a good entry if you want to enter. So the stop loss should be below this area, but we missed this entry, and now we can expect the price to go into this zone. So let's see. Euro is strong and will be more strong in my opinion. Okay, let's just look at the Euro USD. The 4-hour candle is about to close in 1 hour 20 minutes, and I think if the okay, we got it right here. So Duality, for your answer, I think as you can see right here, we have Euro USD, and the price has come down and it has created this resistance right here. Okay, do you see this resistance? So I think the Euro has the potential to go at least till this area, and I think from here we can expect the price to go down. We can expect to price fall from this area, I think. I see this is the selling area, I think. So we can expect to price fall from this area once again. But if it has to go up, so what will happen? What we can expect? This is what I expect. If the price has to go up, this is the zone from which it has to break this zone. After breaking this zone, it has to take the support of this zone, and then it can go up. Okay, so the today most strongest currency is USD, and after that Euro. Okay, I'm not about which currency is strong. I just look at the chart, I just look at the price, and based on that I just enter the trade. I do not follow the strength of the currency. Okay, because on every single chart is a unique, and they move according very differently. They are not completely, they do not move in the same way. Okay, they have their own nature of moving in the market. So I'm not about, I don't know about the strength, but on the Euro USD I see this thing. So that's my opinion. Okay, you will be waiting for till 14:30 for the US session. Okay. Linear weight moving average, and you are price action trader. Okay, I don't follow the linear weight moving averages, and yes, I am the price action trader. Yeah, and I think the gold is going to fall. If we consider this line, So I think it has rejected already this area if we consider this. Yes, it can bring a huge buy or sell, but I believe this is what I believe. Okay, based on this zone. Okay, based on these zones, you will see the impulse in the market. Okay, as you can see right here, do you see this zone? The price, this is the today's session. Okay, so yesterday was the 10th Jan and today is 11th. Okay, so yeah, so now if you look at this, okay, this was the whole Asian session. Okay, this was complete a whole Asian session where the price was moving, and also there was a Sydney market open. Okay, and Japan market. So as you can see, the price pushed down. Okay, there was a lot of volume, there was a lot of strong selling pressure. Okay, so yes, it is about session, but whenever the price is in that zone, it reacts to that zone based with the volume, with a lot of volume. And as you can see right here, this was also an Asian session. Okay, this whole Asian session, and as you can see, the price action works in all time frame the same: break, retest, and again impulse move to the upside. Again the price came back into the selling zone. So since the price is in the selling zone, you will see a lot of volume, you will see a lot of volume, and you can see the price is pushing down. And yes, US session is going to bring a volume. That is right, you're right. But unless and until the price in that particular zone, you will not see the impulse in the market. You will see the volume in the market whenever the price is in the particular zone, whether either it's selling zone or it's a buying zone. You will see a lot of volume when the price in that particular zone. And yeah, you should know, nobody wants to get hit by stop loss. So yeah, you're right. And your higher low and higher high come, I hope. I think in this scenario, the higher high, higher low, I think it's not going to work. I think because as I mentioned, this is the selling zone from where the price has created the base and it has dropped. Okay, and again the price has come back into this zone. Okay, and it has rejected this zone. So I think we can expect push into this zone once again, or also we can expect the price to go into this zone as well. So let's just see what it is and what happens. do you think buy limit is good on 1820? Okay, just give me a minute. Let me just check. Buy limit, I think in the gold the buy limit is not much reliable, because it has a lot of volatility and it breaks the lows and highs really easily. So I will not suggest to use buy limit or sell limit on the gold. Just enter the trade based on the confirmation. Again, I'm just giving you just this little explanation that break, retest, bullish candle, entry, stop loss right here below this candle, and take profit into this zone. That's it. Always trade with the confirmation. Okay, do not just use buy limit and sell limit. And even if you are using buy limit or sell limit, just manage your risk. Okay, use the stop loss, use a tight stop loss with the amount, with the percent, with the specific amount that you are willing to lose. Okay, let's say for example 2 or 3%. Okay, so keep the stop losses tight, and if you really want to trade buy limit or sell limit with this buy limits and sell limits, but use a tight stop loss. Do not keep it open. You can keep the TP open, but do not use open stop loss. That's it. I hope this makes sense to you. Duality. Because end of the day, the main goal is to make money. Okay, not to be in the trade, not to keep the trades open. The main goal is to make money. So my suggestion is that just wait for confirmation. Okay, just wait for setup. Once you get this confirmation, you can take the 5% risk. If you are really sure about that trade, you can take any amount of risk that you want to take, that with that you are comfortable. Okay, and you can make really good money in one single trade. But trade with confirmation. Trading with the confirmation, it gives you a lot of confidence. But whenever you are using limit order, okay, you just kept the limit order and you just went to sleep, and in your head it will be running that I have my trade open. What might have happened with my order? Okay, so don't do that. Don't give that stress to yourself. Just trade with the confirmation, and that's what you want, man. You don't want any stress. If you're getting too much stressed with the trading, then this is not you were seeking. Okay, this is not why you started trading. You started trading to make money easily, not to increase your stress. So just trade with the confirmation. That's it. And just don't enter the trade blindly, or don't follow any of the tips blindly. Don't do that. You are risking your capital, buddy. You're risking your money. You are risking your hard-earned money. And here you are not to lose money. You want to make money. So if you really want to make money, then you have to follow the rules, and you have to understand the game, and you really have to understand, and you really got to have a winning mindset. Okay, not the mindset of being in the trade, the mindset of making money, not being in the trade. The moment you look at the chart and you want to enter the trade, that is not the right mindset. Want to make money, and you have to make money, and you are going to make money. That should be your mindset. Yes, you're welcome, buddy, and it's better to wait. Waiting is far better than losing. So as you can see, guys, the price is falling. It has taken the resistance of this area, and now the price is falling, and I think we can expect to gold to fall into this zone once again. And yes, this is some sort of support, so we might expect to price to come back into this zone once again. It can take the support and it can go up again. So for the reference, I have drawn this zone, and I think the price can come back into the zone again, because I have seen this kind of scenario in the past as well. And even after starting the live stream, we had this kind of setup once previously. So we can expect to gold to come into the zone, or also into the zone, and let's see how the gold plays out. Yes, so we have another question from Must Gold FX. When price hits any of your zones, would you wait until it completely clears the zone to place a trade, or as soon as it enters the zone, would you place an order? So this is a really good question, buddy. I do not enter the trade right away. Okay, I wait for the price to give the confirmation. Okay, I wait for price to come into this zone. Okay, if the price is in the buying zone, I wait for bullish confirmation. Okay, and I enter the trade if I get the bullish signal based on bullish price action, and if I get a selling signal based on bearish price action, then I enter sell. So here in today's scenario, I did not enter the trade, but this is the kind of entry that I look for. So this I'm just showing you once again. Do you see this is zone? I had drawn this zone today. Okay, I mean to say yesterday. Yesterday I had drawn this zone because the our markets were closed, and I was just preparing for the live stream. So I was just analyzing the chart, and I had drawn this zone. Okay, and I saw this was the strong zone. So I thought that if when I start the live stream, we might get the opportunity to enter the trade in this zone. So as you can see, the price broke this zone. Okay, the zone is valid. Okay, price broke the zone, again came back into the zone, took the support. Okay, do you see the price broke the zone, again came back into the zone, took the support right here, and went back into the next zone right here. As you can see, as soon as the price hits the zone, it started to react. Again, the price started to fall down. Okay, so this was my kind of entry. Okay, break. Okay, price break to the downside. Okay, So this was a fake move. Again, price came back into this above this zone, and then if the price has to go up, so it has to take the support of my zone, this zone. So that's what it did. Price broke that zone, again came back, took the support of this zone, it gave the bullish confirmation, and price just went up to the next zone. Okay, so where the price is going to go, in the selling area, from where the price has to go down. So right here, this was the selling area, and the price came back into the zone. It just tapped into that zone, took the resistance. Now it is trying to push down. That's it. So I wait for confirmation. So this was not the strong confirmation, so I did not enter this trade. But if I was in the market and this was the setup that was forming, then I would have entered after this candle. After this candle, I would have entered on this candle, and I have taken the buys, and my take profit would be around this area. My take profit would have been in this area right here. And as you can see how the price has rejected this area, and then again there was a zone above this minor zone, so that's why it took the resistance of this zone, and now it has come back down into this, below this area. So this is valid zone, and this is also valid zone. That's why it has taken the resistance as well, it has taken the support as well. Now it has broken this zone, and now it is trying to push down. So I always trade with the confirmation. I do not trade without confirmation. Even if you look back into my previous live stream, you will see I always say trade with the confirmation, and whichever the trades that I have taken or which I was anticipating, I was waiting for confirmation. I let the price come back into my zone, and I let it just react into that zone, and after that, after the confirmation, I enter the trade. I hope this answer your questions. Let me know if you have any doubt, or you wanna ask something, or you get to learn something, or you have any specific idea or any information that you want to share with us. Okay, so you're asking to do the one live trading for whole day. Is that what you mean? Do the live trading for whole day? I'm just asking you. I'm just asking you for clarification, just confirmation that that's exactly what you mean, or something else. If you're asking me to do a whole day trading, then actually I'm going to plan that for one day, I think. Okay, understood. Yeah, so I understood. So yes, that's what I do, buddy. Whenever I'm doing live stream, okay, I take the trades live, okay, and I do explain that why I entered the trade and uh, why I took the trade and why I entered the trade. And yes, I also show that that why I entered the trade, and I also update everybody who is on the live stream that I am in the trade or I have closed the trade. And if I'm not taking any trades, that also I update in the live stream. And whenever I have I'm in the trade and I take the trade, I do post on my Instagram account. You will get the link on the Instagram and you can just follow me over there. And whichever trades that I have taken on the live stream, I have shared them on the Instagram as well, just as in the highlight of that particular day. And yes, must gold FX, thank you for asking the question, that question, and I really like it, that what you are seeking. And yes, that is the way I do. If you look at the old live streams, you will get to see that how I trade. So today we did not get any trades that the kind of setup that I was seeking. And this was also not the clean setup, okay, so that's why I did not take this trade, okay. But if I get a good entry, definitely I'm going to tell you guys, okay. I'm going to update that how I look for trade and how I enter the trade. Definitely I'm going to show you. I will show you the live trade examples, and that's why I started this live stream, because I want to show you guys that how you should trade. Yes, it is profitable strategy if you follow the right method, okay. If you follow the rules, the way that you trade. And in the live stream, I completely explain everything, that why I entered this trade, okay, what was the confirmation that I got, okay, and why I entered this trade, okay, what is my entry and what is my exit, okay. I share everything live on this YouTube live stream. And even in the previous live stream, I had done the same thing. I just draw the zones, okay. I just wait for the price to come into my zones, and I explain that what I'm looking for to enter the trade, and what will be my target, what will be my entry, what will be my stop loss. I explain everything in the live stream. About the consistency you are talking, gold FX, see, the strategies are profitable. The only thing that you should do is consistently follow them. Okay, so that's why I started this trade, this live stream. I just want to show you people that how they should trade and when to wait. And today we are just waiting. I did not get any entry, that's why I'm just waiting, and I'm answering all of your questions. I'm just answering you guys all of your doubts and queries. The GU and GJ is getting a little difficult to trade, so I'm just waiting. Yes, you are absolutely right. I do not use buy stop or sell stop or buy limit or sell limit. I just execute the trade where in the live market. I do not use limit orders. Whenever I see the right price action right in front of my eyes, I just enter the trade. I do not use limit orders. I don't feel them reliable, you know, because I trade with confirmation and just by following charts every single day and taking 1 to 2 trades for 10 to 30 pips. That much is enough. 10, 20, 30 pips for me, that is enough. And whenever I see the confirmation, I just execute the trade right away with the lot size that I'm comfortable with, and I just take the profits and I just get out. I don't hold the chart or hold the trade for a long time. Okay, so we have question that, but we could use them according to the zones, right? Place buy stop around zones, upward zones, and wait for price to hit that zone. I have not tried that strategy, but you can just test it out. You can just try it, but I don't try that. I have not tried that method, and I'm not going to use that, because I really feel comfortable just executing the trade live. just right in front of my eyes, because I trade and I also enter the market. I enter the trade based on reading the candle. Okay, so I do not I'm not looking forward to use any kind of limit orders, and I never did that, and I'm not a whole fan of that. And I really feel comfortable taking trades live right in front of my eyes when the candles are forming right in front of my eyes. It just, and just keeping the trades open and just using the limit order, it doesn't give me, kind of, I mean to say, it doesn't give me peace, and it doesn't bring peace. And if I have used the limit orders, so I'll be keep checking my charts and trades over and over again, so I don't want to do that. So I prefer just to execute the trades whenever I'm in front of the chart. That's my preference. That's what I follow, and that's what I'm comfortable with. If you are comfortable with the limit orders, then you can go for it. It's all up to you, and it's everybody's choice. It's your own choice. Do whatever things at which you are comfortable. If you are comfortable with limit orders, just go for it. And I'm not comfortable with limit orders, so that's why I execute the trades where live in the market. I hope this makes sense to you. Just let me know if you have any question or you have any suggestions. Okay, so we have another question. What pairs do you like to trade and why? Okay, so my favorite pairs that I like to trade is the gold, then GBPUSD and GJ, the GBPJPY. These are the three pairs that I like to trade because it has a really good volatility. First of all, and it has a really nice long pip range. Okay, if you look at this, if I had taken the trade on the gold, okay, so do you see, this is the range, this is 196 pips, these are 196 pips, and as I mentioned, this was the target area, so it had 196 pips, 170, 150, and even if you consider this area, it's 57 pips, and 57 pips are more than enough. So I like it has a bigger range, and it has a lot of pips that you can gain, and this both pair has a really nice long pip range, plus as well as it has a volatility, and what else does it have? Yeah, and another thing that it follows a price action really well. It follows the price action. It literally follows the price action really well. So that's why I love to trade these pairs. And also there is EU, that is Euro USD, that is also good, but there was a time I used to trade that pair, and whenever sometime if I get any of the setup, I just enter the trade. But as of now, gold, GJ and GU, these are the three pairs that I like to trade. And also, as you can see in the title section of this live stream, you will see only gold, GJ and GU in the subject line in the title. But yes, these are my favorite pairs. Look like the gold won't come back till 1820. Time will tell. Yes, the time will tell, but let's just wait, buddy. Let's just wait. As you can see, this is the selling area, and as you can see, the price has not closed above this, above the open of this bearish candle. So we see still a strong selling pressure, so we can expect the price to go at till this area, or over here, or over here. So let's just wait. Look like the GJ today continues down. Yes, I think it will continue, I think, because as you can see, it has broken this zone, and also on the GU, if you see, it has also broken this zone, and for GU this is the buying zone, and for GJ the buying zone is little further down right here. So now I think GJ is going to continue into this zone. This is the price area where it can take the support. So let's see. And also the year has just started, 2021 has just started, so I'm not into the rush. Okay, I'm not in the rush to take trades right away. I'm gonna wait for some time. I'm going to just observe the charts for a while, and I'm going to wait. $140.2 buying zone. Yes, 140.2 is a buying zone. Yeah, you're right. and I'm not in a hurry to take the trades because the year has started and we are going to make a lot of money in this year. And I'm not in I'm not into the rush, and I'm not so much in hurry to take the trades because just from today I have started to take a look at the charts with a lot of attention. Most of the traders, most of the peoples, they are looking for signals, and even if some people are joining the live stream, they are looking for signals to enter the market. But that is not the right way, guys. Whenever you're following any of the live stream, whether it's mine or somebody else's live stream, make sure you learn that how they trade. You should focus on how they are taking entries live on any of the pairs or any of the chart. You should just look at learning. You should look at learning. You should look at how you just have to figure it out that how they are taking entries on the trade or on that particular pairs. That you should focus on learning, and it will make a really, really great difference in your trading. You will thank yourself later, and you will be glad that you started to learn. You will be glad that when you will understand the market, that how it moves and how to anticipate the price. It gives you really nice feeling. Now I don't. Back in the days when I started the trading, I was like, oh, the price is going up, I should buy. The price is going down, I should sell. But that is not the right way. Waiting for the setup is the right way. And as the time has passed, I have realized and I have learned to practice the patience and wait for your setup. And you should also learn to how to wait for your setup. Even if you are trading any of the strategy, even if you are trading with the indicator, you should just wait for your setup. If I'm not saying that, I'm not promoting that you should follow the indicators. I say that you should follow the price action. But even if you are comfortable trading with this indicator, then you should understand that what is the buying signal, what is the buying what is the evidence that tells you that you should buy, what is the strong evidence that tells you sell. You should just have to understand that setup, that which is the buying setup, which is the selling setup. Okay, and you should just wait for those kind of setups to enter the trade, and you will become a profitable trader. Just wait for your setup, understand the setup, that's it. In my scenario, in my case, as I told you, break, retest, entry, same, break, retest, entry, break, retest, entry, simple. It has to be simple. So this is the way I trade, and this is the simplest way. This is the simplest method that I follow. So you also should have that simplicity in your trading. Do not complicate. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the price has rejected this zone and now it is continuing down. So now the price is going to come into this zone very soon. So let's see. The main goal of this live stream is not to provide a signal. The main goal of this live stream is to make you all understand that how to trade, how to anticipate the market, what to look for in the trading and before entering the trade, and how you should anticipate the candle, how you should anticipate the next move, and how to patiently wait for price to come into your zones, to your levels. Okay, so yes, this is also your another good question, buddy. I glad you asked this question. So you don't need to do any fundamental study for following this action. Okay, I mean to say following this price action, this strategy. And I'm telling you my routine that I follow. Okay, first of all, first thing, that I don't follow the news. Okay, I mean to say, when I say don't follow, I mean to say I don't trade while news. Okay, if there is any news, I don't trade for that particular duration, for that particular time, not for the day, but for before and after 5 or 10 minutes of the news. I don't trade. I do not enter any of the trades. Okay, whenever I start my day, I just look at the calendar, Forex Factory calendar, and I see if there is a news related to the pairs that I'm trading. Okay, if there is a trade, I just stay away from the chart for that particular time, for that particular period of time, and I don't trade on that day. And also I stick with my price action strategy always. And one thing that I have observed in the trading is that even if I don't trade, okay, based on the price action, the fundamental news comes out just to support the technicals, just to support the price action. The news comes out, the fundamental follows the technicals as well, I think, because most of the time I have observed that XYZ currency pair is about to fall or is in the selling zone, and on that particular day we have a news for that particular pair, and it gives the negative results. Okay, so based on the negative news, the currency pair, that XYZ pair, also falls down. That particular currency falls. So basically all the fundamentals are there to support the technicals. I think that's what I believe, and that's what I have observed. And even if there are news or anything, so it doesn't, it always follow these zones. Okay, price, if let's say for example, if there is a news related to gold or dollar, okay, and right here, as you can see that the gold is falling, okay, and if there is a news, okay, and there was some positive news for the gold, okay, or USD or XYZ, whatever it is, whichever pair it is. So if it has to go up, okay, so it will go up till this area only, okay. It will not break the zone, it will not break any of the zones, it will respect those zones, and it will act according to those zones only. So that's what I have observed. And basically all the fundamental news, all the fundamentals are there to support technicals. That's what I have been observed most of the times. That's it. And that's the reason why I just stick with my strategy. I just stick with the price action. And even if the people who are trading news, who are trading the fundamentals, they also comes down to only price, okay. They also comes down to the price only, they also follow the price, okay. So everything in the trading, it boils down to the price. Then that's why I just follow the price action. And whenever there is a news, I don't trade. I just let the news release, let people lose their money, and just wait for all the waves to settle down. Let's let the clouds settle down, and once the sky is clear, just aim for it. Okay, so what's the bottom level of the last box? Duality, I didn't get your question. Can you just elaborate your question? Okay, you meant to say the final zone. Okay, this is I think it's 1113 to 11, I meant to say 1813 to 1808. Okay, this is 1781 to 1764. You're welcome, buddy. Okay, so you're getting your extra confirmation based on your strategy. Okay, understood. You're also just clearing your clouds. I really like it. Yeah. 75, yeah. This is the area, this is the zone. And I think that is very, that's way too far. So still we have time. Yes, it's really far away from this. And I think just trading this range, you might make many thousands of dollars just trading into these ranges. Getting back to the previous question, must gold FX, I hope I answered your question. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, or still you want to know something, or you need some clarification. Yes, couple of hundreds are more than enough. Yeah, even if you make $100 a day for next 20 days, you end of the month you will be making $2,000, and that is enough. So you have to build your empire piece by piece. Okay, thank you so much, and I'm glad that I answered your question. And this is what people should understand, that even if you make $100 to $200 a day, that is enough. By end of the month you will be having $2,000 to $4,000 in your hand. That is what really people need to understand. Even 10 pips a day is more than enough, and that's why I always aim for 10 to 30 pips, 10, 20, 30 pips a day. And you might be seeing me on the Instagram that sometimes I keep my positions open for a long time, and I do take sometime more than 50 to 100 pips, between 50 to 100 pips. So the reason why I hold those trade, because I see the potentials in that trade, so that's why I hold the trades for long. Okay, so guys, today again we have 15 minutes to go for ending this live stream. So today we did not get any trade, but it was really great day, and it was really nice talking to you guys. And also keep coming to this live stream and ask questions, and also share your views or your knowledge with us, and that's how we all grow, and that's how everybody will grow. And let's go to GU once again. So as you can see, the price is respecting this zone, as you can see, and this is little really small range. So I don't usually trade this small range. I prefer to trade big ranges like this. I like to trade big range like this because we have a lot of space for the price to move, and I don't like trading these small ranges, and that is the reason why you see a lot of noise. This it has a really small range, and that is the reason why you see a lot of noise. You see candles are small, as you can see, the candles are really small, and as you can see right here we have a lot of space. So we have candles, we have big candles as well as big moves, and right here we have small zone, small range, and that's why we have small candles and small ups and downs, small moves, small waves. So I prefer to trade like this, open ranges. So I think today there won't be big moves, So it's today is just it's just following, just looking at the chart. It's waiting time, so we are just going to wait. We are not going to trade. And you know guys, you also guys have to learn to wait, and you just guys have to understand that where the price has struck, where the price has the range to go up or to go down, it should have a good playground where it can show their moves. Okay, so you guys should really understand. And you know, most of the traders, what happens with the retail traders, they also trade these moves, and because of this small moves, this small candles and this small range, every time they lose their money, because at some point it feels like it's going up, at some point it feels like it's going down, and it eats your money. It eats your money in the both way. So you guys really need to understand that when to stay away and when to stay in the market. This is what everybody should learn, and this is what I want everybody to understand, because I have learned this really hard way, and I'm sharing this knowledge with you guys just to make some difference in your trading, so that you don't get trapped by the losses. I mean to say, you just don't get trapped into any of the trades. That's what I want. Yes, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're most welcome, Gold FX, and thank you so much for joining the live stream and making this live stream really alive, because I'm just a representative, but you guys are the real pillars of this live streaming, because without you guys this live streaming is nothing. So thank you so much for joining this live stream and making this live stream the best live stream that it can be. It's all because of you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to you guys to join the live stream every day. Thank you so much. And I would like to see you guys every day. And I also would like to get to learn something from you guys. If you guys have something that you learned something or you want to share with us, I'm really looking forward to that. I'll be more than happy to hear something from you guys. Thank you so much. And everybody, no one knows everything, but everybody knows something. So we should keep learning from each other. And I'm not any kind of certified person that I'm going to answer all of your questions. Sometimes I might be wrong, but from you guys also I can learn something. So that's what I believe, and we should keep learning from each other, and that's how we grow. Yes, Ever Wonder, thank you so much, and you also be safe. Thank you so much. Okay, if you step to the gold trade, just send or something on the Telegram, if it's possible. Yes, if I'm going to trade gold, definitely I'll let you know. And yeah, if there is something, definitely I'll post in the Telegram channel. Thank you so much, and you do. God bless you, buddy. God bless you too. Thank you. I'm not sure that what you guys will get to learn from my live stream, but at least you guys will get to learn that how to wait patiently, how to wait patiently for your trade setup. I will try my best to share with you guys, and just learn to be patient enough, and always remember that staying away from the chart and staying away from the trade is much better than losing. Oh yes, definitely. If I enter the trade, definitely I'm going to let you know. But as I mentioned earlier, you know, I just enter the trade in my trade time in my window whenever I'm trading. Okay, and whenever I'm off the chart, I'm just off the charts. I don't usually trade, but since I just we just started the trading, so if I see any potential setup, I will let you know, guys, in the Telegram channel that I entered the trade, and you guys can enter the trade if you guys want to enter. It's all up to you guys, and thank you. So duality and everybody, the people who are in the live stream right now, I'm just going to tell you guys, this is the buying zone. You guys can plot this buying zone right now on your chart. Even if I end the live stream, you guys will see the chart, this zone that how I have drawn this zone. You guys can place this zone right on your chart as well. Okay, and also this zone. Okay, if you see any kind of bullish momentum right here or here, okay, a strong bullish momentum, you can just enter the trade, but after the bullish candle confirmation. Okay, once you see a bullish candle, okay, let's say for example, this is the trade. Okay, the price went up, now it is retracing, now it has given this strong, this is the if this is the bullish candle, okay, and this is the first evidence candle, so you can enter the trade right here, and you can keep your stop loss below this candle or below this line or below this zone. It's all up to you, and you can hold the trade. You can just hold the trade the way you want to be. You want to hold the trade, and same goes here. If you see any bullish momentum right here or here, you can just enter the buys, but after bullish confirmation. That's it. You can increase the resolution of your YouTube video, and I think you will be able to see these numbers because I'm running this live stream in the full resolution, in high definition resolution, so 1080 pixels. So I think if you increase the resolution, you might be able to see this value. Okay, you got to go in the supermarket. Okay, and you will wait for the end of the session. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So guys, I'm just waiting for this candle to close. Okay, 3 minutes, and after that we'll be ending the live stream. Okay, so you guys just look at this chart. Okay, you guys can just plot these zones right on your chart, and This is the selling zone, this is the buying zone, this is a major buying minor buying zone, because as you can see the price has come down. Okay, it has come back into the zone, and from here it has given the strong movement. It has given strong bullish movement to the upside, so you guys can expect the price to come back into this zone again. If you get a bullish confirmation over here or over here, you can just enter the buys, and make sure you manage your risk. Okay, do not just blindly enter the trade. Manage your risk the amount that you are willing to risk. Do not over risk. That would be my suggestions, and just wait for confirmation and enter the trade after confirmation. That's it. That's what I suggest you guys. That's what I suggest. And one last thing that I want to tell you guys, that if you don't get any trades, so don't worry, and don't be impatient. Okay, and don't just jump into the trades right away. The year has just started. Okay, the month has just started, and do not rush. Still we have 365 days to make money and to earn, so just be patient and just be calm. That's it. That's what I want you guys to understand. And if you don't get any trade today, just come back tomorrow and hunt for the trade, look for the setups, wait for the trade, and make money. Do not rush or do not hurry in anything. Just develop that patience in you and be patient. So now again this candle has closed bullish, but still it has this area to go. Okay, this is the 1 hour candle. The 1 hour candle has closed, and it has closed bearish, so we can expect the price to go into this area. These are the minor zones, and while trading you should not consider the minor zones. You should always consider the major zones. So this is the major buying zone, this is the major selling zone, this is the minor selling zone. So always wait for the price to go into the major buying or selling zone, and always anticipate the moves. And this is the way I trade, guys. This is the only way I trade. So guys, thank you so much for joining today's live stream, and my day has ended, and I have some things to do, and I got some business to do. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. We'll see you tomorrow again, and we hope that tomorrow we get some trades, and I get to see, I get to show you guys that how I enter the trade, and we will look for good setup tomorrow. You're most welcome, man. Duality, thank you so much for joining the live stream. I really appreciate that you are taking your precious time to just watch this live stream and making this live stream really wonderful. Thank you so much. And I'll see you tomorrow. And love you so much, guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much. So good night, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, in whichever part of the world you are. Just do the best, be the best, and enjoy your day. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care.